Hi, what's going on guys? I'm back again with another video. In this video today I'll be teaching you how to make $300 to $400 per day. Easy, free method, no need for to pay money to get that traffic. So the best way to do is I have a website that called ClickFly. Okay, ClickFly is a method where you can shorten your URL, and then you can post it anywhere, and then you can get traffic from that. So it puts an ad with your link. So for example, if the best way to do is, if you have a YouTube video, if you're a YouTuber, let's say, and you want to get people subscribed to you, so you can put that link, and then that link will take them to an ad, and then after they skip the ad, and then it will show their YouTube video, or else whatever link you have, and then you can put an ad on that. Alright, so you might be asking, how can I get traffic to get ads on, like how to get traffic? Alright, so there's simple ways where you can get traffic without even paying money, and no need for CPA, no need for any traffic money paying method. There's three ways that I'm gonna teach you today. So if you guys need more video like this, please subscribe and comment down below and tell me any more ideas you guys think of. I keep searching for new ideas for you guys on how to make money without paying money. Alright, so the first method is, which is the best one that you can get, which is Quora. Alright, so Quora is a question and answer platform where you can get answers for your questions. Alright, pretty simple, right? So you will search for the niche whenever anything you want to do. For example, if you are in a health niche, then you have an affiliate link, you have a website, you have anything, right? You'll go here and then you search for the question, and then Quora will keep suggesting new answers for you, new questions for you, right? So you can answer. Whenever you answer the questions, then people will view it, and then you don't have to spam on there. You just have to answer the question like genuine question, answer. Just don't spam your links. It never works. People want value. They don't want you just to post their link spamming. Alright, so I suggest you guys to do is answer a question and then put your link. Like, I suggest you also to have a website. If you have a website, then you can direct people to the website, so they can read that article. And then if you're doing affiliate marketing, then in that article there's going to be affiliate marketing affiliate link. Alright, so that's the first thing. Quora gets tons and tons of views, so Quora is the best. The second one is Facebook. Well, you need to go on Facebook and join groups. Like, for example, if you're in health or weight loss or those kind of stuff, then join them. Join those groups that has 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, and then like, either you make a post, but then a value post. You don't just post, because most of them, they will suspend you from using their group. So you have to post a value topic or a question or anything there, and then you direct them to the link. You say, put the link in the discussion, and then they will come there. So basically in ClickFly, if you charge, you get money per 1,000 views. So if your visitors or the people who are clicking are from America or Europe or those countries, then you will get $15 per 1,000. It's like YouTube. Alright, YouTube pays per 1,000, and then if you guys are doing entertainment and those kind of stuff, then the CPM will be low, right? ClickFly is the same. They pay 1,000 per 1000 they pay between $10 to $15. So that's very easy. So you can make, if you guys have many views that your link will be getting, then you might make $300 to $200 per day if you are doing the work. All right, so that's those options that I have for you guys today. If you guys are enjoying the videos and want me to keep doing those kind of videos, please share the video, subscribe, then that will motivate me to keep doing those kind of videos. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.